UNdunakulu we-Gauteng UPanyaza Lesufi umemezele ikhabineti yakhe etja namhlanje ntambama eJwanisbhege lapha. Eminye iminyango ihlukanisiwe kanti eminye ehlanganisiwe. ULesufi uthi akungabi kutjhugululwa kwaboSomkhandlu kwaphela kodwana akutjhuguluke nemiraro ekhona.
It must not be a change of personnel but the continuation of same problems. We are quite aware that yesterday, during my acceptance speech, I indicated that we'll continue with the Gauteng blueprint. The blueprint being growing Gauteng together 2030. We have elevated things that we feel are non-negotiables between now and the end of the political term. That is in the next 17, 18 months. The first one is the immediate need to ensure economic recovery and reconstruction. I think you are quite aware that COVID affected the manner in which our economy was functioning in our province. We want to accelerate the recovery part of it and the repositioning of the Gauteng economy.